Alright guys, so I come out here to the test garden. I got a new Teknetics Patriot. Most of you probably know it's the same as an F70 supposedly. I've never had an F70, so let's try it out. Turn this dude on, see if we can listen to some deep targets with it. Let's leave it on, let's listen to it on disc 0. Oh yeah. Default sensitivity 75. I don't want 4H. Let's do 3-tone. And I will ground balance here. Alright. Boy, I'm getting a killer headache. Oh my god. Alright. 9-inch wheat penny. Three-tone sensitivity 75. 9-inch eagle button. I really should just cut that little root out of there. It's always in the way. 8-inch silver dime. Acts a lot like the T2 on that target. 10-inch silver quarter. I want to see what happens if I go to disc level 1. Okay. Look at that. That's what I was afraid of with this machine. So alright, go back to disc 0 so y'all can see the difference. Here's that 8-inch silver dime. See if it'll get a 12-inch bullet. Here's what I notice. On disc level 0, I mean, you're gaining probably 1 inch of depth right there. The modulated audio on this machine is a very steep drop-off. When it quits reporting, it's very steep and it just stops. The tone doesn't really fade out very well. And you can tell those are deeper targets by the tone, but let's try something else here. Let's go to, well, I was gonna say, you probably can't get away with disc 0 anywhere, almost nowhere. Go to disc 1 for this slow mode, just like a boost mode. So let's listen to that 9-inch penny. Likes it. 9-inch eagle button. Eight-inch silver dime. Ten-inch silver quarter. Twelve-inch bullet. really up averaging that bullet. Everything's questionable on that dime. So the slow process, the slow speed, quite a bit deeper. That's a deep silver quarter right there. I haven't really tested the slow speed too much, but I think I like its characteristics, not just because of the depth, but I think I like its audio a little better. It's a good machine. It's got a ton of different ways to set it. I like that. The disc 1, disc 0 is very interesting. Now if I go back to default speed, it's a little quieter. I tried this earlier in the field and you couldn't even use disc 0 anywhere. See, but that makes that default speed quite a bit deeper. I'd imagine if you could run disc 0 in slow speed, it'd be all over the map, man. It'd be way deep. Should be a good coin getter. The range is 0 to 15 is iron. And then on up after that. Let's go ahead and peel these nasty things off there. Look a little better there. But yeah, it should be a good coin getter for sure. I mean, I wish I didn't have to rely on disc 0. What if I do this? Disc 1. Come over here and let's try that. Threshold 0. A little bit. Let's listen to that pin. Smacking the crap out of that. 1. Starting to get some depth out of it now, huh? 2. So there is a huge relationship between the threshold setting, the disc setting and your sensitivity. I can see where someone will get frustrated with this machine. Look at that silver dime now. Smacking the crap out of it. What's my settings? Disc 1, default speed, 80 sensitivity, threshold -1, 4 tone. 8-inch silver dime. Clipping on that quarter. Let's see if we can bring that quarter in. Clipping on it. There, it'll get it. Alright, let's try one other thing here. Let's take this all the way down. Okay. Smacking the bullet. Nailing that dime. Alright, that was a button. Now let's try this. How quiet is it? There's a lot you can do. Cool. You can really dial this thing in. If a guy could master threshold, sensitivity, and disc, and how they work together well in each site, can I even get disc 0 to be quiet? That sounds pretty good. Definitely likes a faster sweep in the default speed. Struggling on the bullet. Gonna nail this. It's gonna be a fun little detector. Thanks for watching.